This is really impressive for just
How you doing, man?
good, dude.
Great, checking out builds. I have to check in. You got one here?
No.
Can I come in?
Yeah, man.
What's your name, man?
Jacob.
Jacob.
Yeah.
I'm Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Jacob. Jacob Viral. Could you give me a rundown real quick for a video?
Sure. It's 3 U15s on a Banda 8K CES 80 amp battery. Let's see, 270 CES alt. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yep.
Did you build this?
Superior Sounds and Customs built it. He built the Blazer over there, Arabella.
Okay.
Yeah, he built this too.
Awesome.
Just did a 58 on the meter.
158.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Where was it at?
Where? Oh, right over there.
That's good, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Congrats. What size ports are these?
8-inch big ass ports.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
All right.
Kinda how it is. Heavy. Probably some slides, so that's better. Yo.
What's up, man?
Before you do anything.
Oh, that's Jacob. We're both Jacob, sorry.
Turn it down right as hard smelling.
Yeah, it's starting to smell a little bit.
They warmed up a little bit. Put that USB in.
Where do you at? Like the higher stuff?
Put that in.
Alright.
There's a folder called Cadillac Demo.
Okay.
Go to a song called King Shit.
Okay.
4147.
I gotta get in here real quick.
Oh, you're good?
It's tight, man.
Tight fit, yep.
Yeah.
They got warm.
A little warm.
Yep. How big is the box?
It was about 13.7, and then we shrunk it a whole bunch.
It did?
10.4 right now.
Yeah.
10.4? Okay. Did that help you gain on the meter by shrinking it?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
It did? Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I was just curious.
In this particular instance.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right, yeah. What did it peak at?
46.
46?
Right there.
Okay.
Go back.
Okay.
Cadillac Demo. King Shit. Keep going. Oh, is yours alphabetical?
Yeah.
Keep going. Go to the K's.
This is really impressive for just a small truck build. Like, not even blow through.
Oh, yeah.
Try that. Lithium. This song is 4147. Keep going. All the way at the end.
Jeez, I mean, right in there.
A lot. Go back. What the hell? I hate your radio.
Yeah, USB is pretty annoying whenever some of you gotta look through it all.
It's nice on a Pioneer because it lists all the songs in order. His re-alphabetizes.
Really? Oh, that's annoying.
Mine are in there loaded the way I put them in there.
Yeah.
What number?
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.